Here's a great little recipe idea for you using some Peking flavoured duck breast. These only take about 12 minutes to cook in the oven, but I'm going to serve it with congee. Congee is a savoury porridge, very popular in China as a breakfast, but I love this for a dinner. So in a pot, we're going to add half a cup of rice. This is rice that's been washed 2 or 3 times. And 1 litre of stock. You need lots of stock for this because the rice is going to absorb it. I'm using some chicken stock. Mix that together along with some ginger. So just a fine julienne of ginger. And to flavour this up and season, a splash of soy and also a splash of sesame oil. Now I'm going to pop the heat on. And this is just going to slowly come up to the boil. Once it does, I'll pop the lid on and allow this to cook for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, stirring it regularly until it forms a delicious savoury porridge. Okay, this glorious congee is ready to go. See how porridge-like it is? That's what we're after. And the Peking duck is ready too. This was already cooked. We just needed to reheat. And you can see how that lovely glaze has concentrated too. Now to serve this up in a bowl, a generous amount of our congee. Getting some of that ginger too. Good. And the duck. So I'll just grab one of these duck breasts. I'll finely slice it, and I've made loads of congee. So I make sure I leave it in the fridge and just heat it up with some more stock. And 2 duck breasts just like this is enough for a whole family. There's also enough congee and some for the next day. So I'll just grab a few of these slices of delicious duck and we'll arrange it on top of the congee. To finish this off, some sesame seeds, spring onions for some freshness, and because I love the flavour combination of duck and sesame oil, another extra drizzle of that over the top. Done. This is so delicious and so comforting. On a cold winter's day, this is what I crave.